Hey guys, in my shop doing my thing, just having fun. Kind of give you a progress report. Tunnel's pretty much sanded. It's pretty good. I hit it with a little bit of 120, which is even a heavier grit, and it didn't come out too bad. I might finish it up with a little finer sandpaper to give it a bit of a smooth feel, but the key is that when you're doing this, you want the primer to stick to something. So if you do like 600, 800 grit, 1000, it's just the primer will never stick to that. So you do want a bit of a rough feel to it. So just tunnel's pretty much done. I got a little bit more to do under here. I'm not going to go crazy with sanding underneath here because there's nothing really to see. Sides are done. This other stuff had this sticky glue. I gotta somehow get this still off of there. It's pretty sticky. Pulling the clutch, it's being a pain in the butt. I'm not sure how much I really want to fight with that, but clutch puller is definitely cranked all the way, and it's not popping. Usually it does, so that might be better off to try to do when the motor's actually heated up and running, and then try to pop the clutch. I'm debating on that, why it's not popping off like it usually does. So for now there's quite a bit of pressure on there. I'm just letting it sit. I kind of shot a little bit of oil. I don't know if you could see it, but let's see if I can hit the light. Yeah, down there, just to see if it'll loosen up, but most likely it won't, but it's worth a shot. The motor's going to come out now, and I honestly don't know if this motor has ever come out of this sled. So it's due time. It's got so much garbage and junk underneath. Yeah, you can tell it's definitely never been cleaned. So that's coming out next. It's really just you got one bolt here. This whole that's for the engine. You got an engine mount on this side. You got two on this side, one here, one on the other side, so you can see the two. There you go. So you take those off. Obviously, you gotta take other bolts off here. These two. There's other little stuff here. There's a where's that piece? This bracket right there. That piece goes right along here. You got to take that off. The car boot, take that off, take that out, just to make room. You want to take all the coolant lines off. Coolant line right here. These hoses here. See, they go there. All kinds of stuff has to come off to get this motor out, and the main reason is that you can't get at this bolt. If you look on this side, what the heck's that? Cattails? Looks like it. So that bolt, you can't get to it because it's actually in front of that motor. And the only way to get that bolt out, and only way to change all these A-arms, and I got Fox shocks. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but I'll go over here. Trip on the hockey gear. So, first time ever owning Fox shocks, but it's really going to be an off-road machine anyways. It's not. I'm not looking for trail manners anymore, or tons of groom. Miles and miles of groom trail is no longer an option for this thing. It's just going to be ripping through the bush. So, and again, these A-arms are the ones that are going to go on, which is the M series. I got them all powder coated, or whatever you want to call that stuff. It's who was the guy that did it? He's no longer in business, which is unfortunate, but his name was Epic Industries. So anyways, that's what's happening here. There's no real play-by-play because, honestly, I don't think you guys want to see me grinding and sanding for hours and on end. So anyways, cheers, guys. We'll see you on the next video.